All right. Do you know where we are?
Cherry Creek Plaza, or yeah, it's either I think Cherry Creek Plaza. It's
Okay.
called.
We'll
Also,
just-
this building has a lot of activity in it for somewhere around 3 in the morning on Wednesday.
Yeah, it sure does. We'll just take a quick ride and then we're gonna be.
Yes.
There's nothing really to see here other than that.
Wobbly phone.
Next thing you know, it'll just fall off into the shed.
The door opens on that one.
Hey, it worked this time. Look at the cat plate. Yep, and yeah. A lot of times when you get to where you're going, you have to push your handy dandy button.
Yeah, because it forgets. It's
It's
partial
got-
fire service.
Well, I mean, it's old enough. It's got dementia. Yep.
Hold on, and now it forgot. So you have to get the door open.
Poor elevator has dementia.